Hi guys, welcome back to another helpful video. Today we are featuring the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max, and in this guide I'll show you how to fix the calling issues on your device. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. Now let's get started.